Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I got these neon double French nails. So for this tutorial I'm going to be using gel polishes, and I already had a hard gel overlay on my natural nails. Then I used the gel bottle Lemonade, which is a beautiful neon yellow shade, and also my favourite nail art brush, which is from Boan, and I'll link that in the description box below. I just literally dipped this brush into the Lemonade shade and started painting a half moon on my nail. Then, leaving a small gap of about 2mm, depending how long your nails are, paint another half moon parallel to the last one that you painted at the bottom of your nail, and fill in the rest of your nail towards the tip with the same colour. Then I repeated these steps across all of my nails, making sure that the negative space gap was about the same size on each nail. Then I cured that in the gel lamp for 30 seconds, but make sure that you follow the instructions that your gel lamp has in case you need to cure it for a bit longer. Then once that was cured, I did another coat to just touch up any areas that were a bit patchy or not as opaque as I wanted them to be. Once I was happy with the amount of coverage I had on the nails, I cured that again for 30 seconds. Then, to ensure that all of my nails were super shiny, I used my gelish top coat and made sure I capped all of the edges, and then cured that for 30 seconds. After curing the top coat, you always have a tacky layer on the top, so you just want to wipe that with a cotton pad and some alcohol to get rid of the stickiness. And that's it for this look. I think this is the easiest simple nail art that you can do, but with the right colours it looks amazing. So if you try this out, make sure you tag us on Instagram at Boan Nails, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!